But now if we want to test out that MagSafe with another accessory, I have Apple's very own MagSafe wireless charging puck right here. We can slap this on the back of the Defender and boom, now it's charging as well. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here, the OtterBox Defender Pro XT case for none other than my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, what makes this case special is it is actually the MagSafe compatible version of OtterBox's very popular Defender case, and this particular version, the Pro XT, is different from the regular XT, which I've already unboxed on the channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description if you want to check that out, because the Pro XT right here actually has added antimicrobial protection on the case as well. So now, real quick, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. I do appreciate that. And I've also got to say, I'm super duper happy because on October 21st, 2021, the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel right here finally surpassed 5,000 subscribers, which is just quite a lot of subscribers, so I'm very happy about that. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed, and yeah, I've really enjoyed, as I've said before, making all these technology videos for you guys over the 6 years now that I've been doing this, so that is pretty cool right there. Thank you everyone for watching and subscribing and supporting me over all these years, and anyway, let's start getting this case out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this case's box. As you can see, we have a cutout right here so we can touch and see the case. Up here it says OtterBox Defender Series Pro XT. Over here, 5 times drop tested by military standard. It does also, like I already said, have that lasting antimicrobial case protection, which makes it a Pro XT instead of a regular XT. It's made with more than 50% recycled plastic, and yes, it says it's compatible right here with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it is also made for MagSafe. And then over here on the back, it talks about how it has a thin design, port protection, you can attach a lanyard to it, it has a secure grip, and it's also wireless charging compatible, which definitely makes sense because it is MagSafe compatible. But anyway, let's just get this case out of the box and let's start looking at it. So here we go. We can just pop this out right here, and then we can slide the whole thing out to get the case out. In here, it says 5G compatible. Once again, we got some paperwork. We can put that to the side. Right here, we got the actual case itself, and right here, we've got some paperwork as well as some paper/cardboard right there. We've got the installation instructions right here. Also, unfortunately, this case does not come with a holster in the box, but it does come with this little promo code right here that you can use to get a free holster. You just have to pay the shipping and handling and get that sent out to you. So that is also in the box if you want that. But anyway, let's just start getting my iPhone 13 Pro Max into this case. So to follow those instructions, what you're going to want to do is pull this part of the case right here out of it. It's sort of like the top part right there. It goes over the phone screen, and then you can just plop your phone into the case right there, and then you can go ahead and place this piece back in and essentially line this rubber up with the sides of the case right here, and then really make sure that you get this plastic piece that we popped out underneath the rubber, sort of like this, and get that all nice and tucked in right there. It is a bit hard to get this case on, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. So here we go. I believe we're almost done right here, and let's see. Okay, that looks good over here, and then over here, let's see, can we get this all nice and tucked in right there? Yes, we can. And let's see, voila, it looks like this case now is all on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh yeah. So now, first impressions of this case right here, I will say it definitely feels nice and slim in the hand right there. The back does feel a bit slippery because it's just so smooth, but the sides do feel like they have a more grippy material, so that is definitely nice. Over here on the bottom, it says OtterBox, so everyone knows you're rocking an OtterBox. We've got a big cutout right here for the rear camera bump. Over here, we got volume buttons, so we can play with those right there. Right here we got a mute switch right there, and you do have to stick your finger pretty deep in there to access it, so it's kind of hard to do it with your thumb right here, but if you use a different finger, it is fine. It's just kind of deep in there. Over here on the bottom, we do have cutouts for the speaker grills, as well as this little flap right here to protect the lightning port, so we can just pop this out. That's pretty nice that that can be covered. Over here on the side, we have the side button as well if you want to put your phone to sleep or access Siri. And yeah, anyway, now that we've gone on a quick tour of this case right here, let's test out that MagSafe compatibility. Right here I have my very own Apple MagSafe battery pack. We can slap it on the case right here, and boom, now the phone is charging. And you know what, I can just turn the mute switch right there, and voila, yes, MagSafe works. Not a big surprise right there, obviously. But now if we want to test out that MagSafe with another accessory, I have Apple's very own MagSafe wireless charging puck right here. We can slap this on the back of the Defender, and boom, now it's charging as well. So yes, that works. Again, not a big surprise though, because the whole point of getting a Defender XT instead of a regular Defender is to get that MagSafe compatibility. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say right here about the OtterBox Defender Pro XT case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max right here. If you want it for yourself, it will set you back about $75 from OtterBox's own website, which is about $5 more than the regular version of the OtterBox Defender XT, the non-pro version, since that'll set you back about $70. So once again, I will have a link down in the description to my video about that regular version of the XT case right here if you want to watch that. And also, if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 13 Pro Max case, I will have a link also down in the description to my playlist of all the different iPhone 13 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel, so definitely be sure to check that out as well if you want me to help you find the perfect case just for you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, as well as more iPhone 13 Pro Max case videos. And I mean, yeah, with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.